Many mothers believe that breastfeeding has to be perfect from the very beginning. In reality, what matters is not perfection, but consistency. Every day can be different. Some moments feel smooth and effortless, while others require more adjustment. This variation is normal and part of the process. Consistency helps create a reassuring sense of continuity. By repeating simple actions and respecting her own rhythm, a mother builds a stable foundation without unnecessary pressure. Trying to control everything can sometimes create stress. On the other hand, accepting that things won't always be perfect allows breastfeeding to be experienced with more flexibility and calm. Over time, repetition builds confidence. Movements become more natural, decisions feel easier, and doubts gradually fade. It's not about following strict rules or unrealistic expectations, but about finding what works over time, day by day. Consistency also brings mental peace. It allows progress step by step without comparison or self-judgment. Even small efforts matter. These repeated, sometimes unnoticed gestures are what create a lasting experience. Breastfeeding then becomes a living, evolving, and deeply human process rather than a goal to achieve. What matters most is continuing with kindness, patience, and consistency, trusting your own path and your own pace. With time, this approach also helps in accepting necessary adjustments. Nothing is fixed, everything evolves naturally. No 2 days are the same, and this flexibility is part of the balance. What's important is to keep going, even when the rhythm changes. By moving forward without pressure, breastfeeding finds its place over time. It becomes smoother, more peaceful, and better integrated into daily life. It is this simple continuity, more than perfection, that supports a calm and lasting experience.